What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on Redmi Note 13R. So if you want to add a widget, then press and hold on an empty space on your home screen and then click on widgets. Now here it will show you the widgets that you can add to your home screen. So if you want to add a clock widget to your home screen, then press and hold on the widget and then drag it to your home screen. So I don't have enough space on this screen, so I will add it here. So just simply press and hold on the widget and then you can release your finger. Now from here choose the clocks that you want to use and then the widget will be added. Now if you want to remove a widget, then press and hold on the widget and then click on remove. So that's how you can add or remove the home screen widgets on Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.